In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose Bluehost plan for beginners. Start by opening your browser and searching for Bluehost. In the results, choose the official Bluehost link so you land on the home page. Once you're there, look for the plans or pricing area and click View Plans and Pricing. This takes you to the place where all hosting options are laid out side by side. Start with the Standard section, where most beginners should compare options first. You'll see entry-level plans tailored to simple websites, along with tiers that add more resources and features. Use the term length toggle to preview different prices and renewal rates. Intro offers are lower, but what really matters is the renewal cost and the features you'll live with long term. If you're launching one personal site, portfolio, or a basic business page, the starter tier and standard usually works. It typically includes a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, built-in CDN, and enough storage and visits for a small audience. If you plan multiple sites, expect traffic spikes, or want extras like more storage and privacy, step up to the mid-tier. For creators who may sell later or need staging and management conveniences, the higher standard tier can be a better fit. Now click High Performance to see plans with more resources and headroom. These are designed for faster growth and heavier traffic. Next, click Commerce. If your main goal is an online store, this section focuses on e-commerce features and tools to help you sell securely and manage products and payments with fewer plugins to assemble yourself. Click VPS to explore virtual private servers. This is for users who want dedicated resources, stronger isolation, and more control over server settings. It's powerful, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. Click Dedicated if you anticipate very high traffic or need maximum performance and control from day one. This is overkill for most beginners, but it's useful to know it exists for future scaling. Click Cloud to view flexible, scalable options that can adapt to changing workloads. Once you've compared and found the plan that fits your goals and budget, click Select beneath it. Before you proceed, skim what's included, the renewal terms, and any pre-checked add-ons so you only pay for what you need. That's it. You've chosen the right Bluehost plan with confidence.